Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching PJ Apple Tech YouTube channel. Friends, in the last video I have explained you how to unlock AT&T locked devices. So one of my friend asked me he was unable to use the mobile data on his phone after unlocked AT&T device. So and he asked me make a video on that. So today I have decided to how to use the mobile data on AT&T unlocked devices. So friends, first of all I am opening the Safari browser and typing something to open. See here, it is not working anymore. For this you have to open the mobile data option. See here, in this you will see mobile data options. In this you have to enable data roaming. After switching on this, I am going to back and opening the Safari browser. See here, which I have typed in the last, that is opening directly and trying to open something. See here, now I am trying to open YouTube. See here, it is working good. See here, everything is loading, that means it is working good. This is the procedure you have to apply after using RSIM unlock. See here, I am using RSIM only. I will show you by opening ejecting my SIM card. See here, this is the RSIM I am using at present. By this I am using anything good. It is working everything good. So friends, I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please do like, and if you do not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and encourage us for making more videos like this. See here, I'm retrying to insert the SIM card. After unlocking our SIM, you can remove the SIM and replug the SIM along with the RSIM. Otherwise you are not able to use your device. See here, I'm getting local carrier signals directly. I'm not doing anything. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care all. We'll meet you on next video.